today's video is that I've received products from Kama Ayurveda. I have received the organic moringa oil, anti-pollution and hydrating, cold press and pure. It's their 100 ml made in India, and the packaging is so beautiful, guys. You know, organic hai. Product looks like this. Even the rose water bottle looks like this, which is beautiful. It has a cap. So what you have to do is you have to take the oil in your hand. You have to take oil in your hand, okay? All the benefits of this beautiful and very nourishing oil I'll be telling you in detail. But right now what I'm saying is, आपको oil हाथ में, I just have my lip gloss and kajal on. So what you have to do is, आपको इसको अपने face में लगाना है. This is what I've learned from some Instagram pages. So yeah, I'm definitely doing the upward thing because you always do it upwards, so your skin is tightened. This is also very good for anti-aging. So you have to leave this on your face. You can also use it for your body. You have to leave it for like 20 minutes and then you have to wash off your face and your body. So while this oil is on my face, I would love to give you a little about this product. It's a light oil extracted from the seeds of moringa tree. The organic moringa oil is naturally cold pressed. It's rich in antioxidant and vitamin A, vitamin E. Now this oil protects your skin by fighting free radicals, and the high content of aloic acid makes it deep hydrating oil, protecting the skin from pollution and other environmental aggression. So dry skin beauties, hello, this is for you. This is an amazing oil because the hydration जो बोलते हैं ना, hydration level इसमें बहुत high है. I am a combination skin, but I still use it. A quick overview of this oil. I mean the benefits, it's right here. 100% natural and organic. It's cold pressed. It's fast absorbing, deeply hydrating, repairs skin damage due to pollution, rich in antioxidants, encourages renewal of skin cells, and it is dermatologically tested, so it's very safe, guys. It's amazingly safe for use. Now as this oil is for pollution, जो हम बाहर जाते हैं, there is a lot of pollution, you guys know that. It works on your skin like a barrier to outside pollution and all the bad things that's gonna happen to your skin. जो हम इसको 20 मिनट्स अपने फेस पे रहने देते हैं, वो पूरा ये मिरेकल करेगा. उसके अलावा ये एंटी एजिंग है बिकॉज इसमें एंटीऑक्सीडेंट है, स्किन रिन्यूअल में काम आता है, तो इट्स वेरी गुड फॉर योर स्किन एजिंग, यू नो, योर टू लिफ्ट योर स्किन. इट ऑल्सो ब्रिंग्स आउट द नेचुरल ग्लो विदाउट हार्मिंग योर स्किन एट ऑल, विदाउट एनी chemicals, because this is organic. So Kama Ayurveda is a amazing Ayurvedic brand which uses organic ingredients and Ayurvedic ingredients, which is really safe for your skin. It also fights acne. तो मतलब oily skin beauties आप डरना मत कि इससे acne हो जाएगा, नहीं, ये इनफैक्ट acne से fight करेगा और आपकी स्किन को डार्क स्पॉट्स से भी बचाएगा. People who have dark spots, you can use this for your skin. Now when I will wash my face, they say that it's going to nicely clean my face and regenerate it and make my skin glowy, which is what I want. Now body के लिए ये इसलिए अच्छा है because जब आप इसको body पे लगाते हो तो it is very good for pain. It gives you release from pain. जब आप उसको मसाज, इसलिए उसको मसाज करना होता है. It gives you relief from pain and also helps you in relaxation. तो ये बहुत अच्छा है. In all, it's a beautiful oil. I'll just wash my face and come back to you to show you how my skin is. So here I am after I washed my face. Oh God, look at my skin. दिस इज़ रियल, मैंने अभी कुछ नहीं लगाया, डायरेक्टली वॉश किया है एंड इट हैज़ मेड माई स्किन हाइड्रेटेड. ये सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट है, ये विंटर्स में आपके लिए बहुत अच्छा है. इट्स मेड माई स्किन सो गुड, सो हाइड्रेटेड. द स्किन फील्स सो हाइड्रेटेड, देर इज़ नो रेजिड्यू ऑफ द ऑयल, इट हैज़ कम ऑफ ईजीली एंड नो चिपचिपाहट. तो इट्स गुड फॉर आई थिंक ऑल स्किन टाइप्स, ऑयली कॉम्बिनेशन, dry, sensitive, yes, even for sensitive, because you know what, I forgot to say just one thing, that the key ingredient of this product is only moringa seed oil, you know, nothing else. Yeah, it's just moringa seed oil, so there is no nothing. So sensitive people who are looking for some oil, जो oil based product जो चाहते हैं glowing skin and good hydration, this is very good for you. Kama Ayurveda never disappoints you. Kama Ayurveda is certified as animal cruelty free from PETA, so these are also cruelty free products, which is amazing. Their rose water is one of the best things that I've used. Their Bringraj oil was also amazing. I hope to make a review soon on that too for you guys. So the link to buy this is in the description box. You can also buy this from Nykaa. Even they have these beautiful products. I am super happy. You can see my skin. अब सोच लो यार, ये मतलब अगर आप इसको यूज़ करते हो, I think you should use this like 2 to 3 टाइम्स इन अ वीक. विंटर्स में तो आप कर सकते हो डेफिनेटली, गर्मियों में 2 बार कर लेना. सो गाइज, आई होप यू लाइक दिस वीडियो. इफ यू डिड, देन गिव इट अ thumbs up and just wait for more amazing videos and for skincare and hair care. Till then, you be happy and you be stylish. Bye.